Hey, hi everyone, Carl here. Came to show you the stuff I got as early birthday presents. Here's the card I got. See it? The plug. I used to have a plug when I was like a while back before he passed on. This is my uncle and aunt. Here's another card I got from my parents, my nephew, and my niece. See it? Pretty cool, huh? There's the outside of it. Okay, and here's like a birthday thing I put on my cake. Alright, there's cups I got. This one says life is better for the lake. This one says lake life gone fishing. Also, this one says lake life, we do not have Wi-Fi, but talk to each other, pretend it's 1995. Let's see what I got. This one says what happens at the lake is laughed about all year. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah, okay. The candle says natural killers, leafy green outdoors, multi-layered scented candle. And that I'm sure what it smelled like, very like a plant or something. I'll do a review of that later. There's a hat my niece made for me, like a birthday crown thing. She made that. Still got a lighter thing. Got some socks. Gold toe. Bunch of cash. I got the cash. 40 bucks, 90 bucks, $50 debit card. And I got a gift card for the Beetle House. I want to in New York when I go down there a couple days. I got some pants. Well, pretty good pants. Pretty nice. Yeah. And another pair of pants. And it's all my gifts. Hope you enjoyed watching my early presents I got. And have a good one. Bye now.